Hello, welcome to the EZ-MES Equipment Extension demo. EZ-MES is a real-time, browser-based manufacturing execution system for improving work on the production floor. It allows the real-time tracking, controlling, and documenting of production processes. This video demonstrates an extension for EZ-MES that shows the real-time state of equipment on the production floor. To begin, the user will click on the equipment status icon. This will open the EZ-MES extension for showing equipment states. The top display shows the layout of the production floor, along with the monitored equipment. For this particular example, the production floor includes 2 ovens, 2 X-ray machines, and 1 printer. Each piece of equipment can display multiple states. For instance, the oven SIG1 can be in a state of production, standby, scheduled down, or unscheduled down. Each type of equipment can be configured in EZ-MES to reflect its own particular state. These settings use the semiconductor E10 standard. The equipment colors and labels shown here can be customized to the user's preference. This layout illustrates current equipment states. Historic changes are displayed in the time bars below the layout. This customizable chart can generate a lookback of 24, 48, or 72 hours. Just below this chart, the user can review performance for each tool, displayed in intuitive pie charts. In production environments, all equipment should meet a minimum usage percentage for manufacturing purposes. With just a quick glance at these pie charts, the user is aware of the equipment's production efficiency. If performance falls below acceptable standards, the user is able to take immediate action to solve this problem. This early detection saves both time and money while improving the efficiency of business processes. The equipment log table lists all of the equipment events just as they're registered in EZ-MES. At the bottom of this table, the current state of each equipment is summarized. Individual views on this page can be hidden or made visible by the user by setting toggle switches. By doing so, the user may make multiple cockpits to illustrate various representations of equipment on the production floor. For example, the user can make a cockpit to specifically show a production floor with real-time equipment states. With EZ-MES, the user is able to open multiple cockpit windows. Another cockpit could be used to display charts of the equipment performance data over a period of time as specified by the user. EZ-MES also allows cockpits to be defined for multiple production floors. Cockpits may display in different browser tabs, windows, screens, and locations, such as the control room or production floors. There are 2 ways to signal equipment states changes in EZ-MES. The first way is to manually enter a change using the Equipment Instances window in EZ-MES. The second way is to use the API of EZ-MES to automatically stream changes from equipment interfaces into EZ-MES. To demonstrate both ways in real time, the user will first change the refresh time of the extension to 5 seconds. Now any state changes registered in EZ-MES will be pulled by the extension every 5 seconds. To change the state of oven SIG1 manually, the user must first select the oven from the equipment list. Should oven SIG1 break down, the user may set the state to unscheduled down. In the layout, the color of oven SIG1 will automatically change to red. Next, the user may change the state to standby. At this time, the color of oven SIG1 will change to yellow. This demo uses an equipment simulator to demonstrate the automated feeding of equipment states to EZ-MES API. A file with the simulation is loaded and then run through the system. The equipment simulator will automatically send equipment state changes directly to the API. For this demo, changes are generated every 10 seconds. These changes are automatically registered in EZ-MES. They are then pulled from EZ-MES using this extension. The equipment colors in the layout update nearly simultaneously with the changes sent to the API. In EZ-MES, each change in an equipment state is tracked as a flow and will appear in the list with equipment flows. Now that equipment states and changes are fully tracked in EZ-MES, they can be exported to different analysis and reporting tools. Thank you for watching this EZ-MES equipment extension demo. For more information about EZ-MES, please visit our website at ezworks.com.